Hello, my name is Joan. I'm a plant and gardening content writer living in Lagos, Nigeria. I write about enlivening living spaces with tropical plants, and my aim is to inspire a do-it-yourself gardening culture in my community. And so today I'd like to show you my vegetable garden. We're filming in February, so a lot of the vegetables have been harvested, but I'd like to harvest my ginger, and I'd like you to stay with me as I do that. It's my first time planting ginger. I don't know what's going to be there. My garden is on concrete, but I found a way of planting in buckets and basins and grow bags, and I'm very excited about my ginger harvest. So let's get started. I had amaranth in this spot and I harvested it and I cleared it out because it was pest infested. I had those caterpillars growing or eating the amaranth, so I've cleared that up. I will replant it when the rains start to come. I also have spinach, and the spinach didn't do very well, but I harvested some spinach, and I would plant the spinach again. It grows quite easily. I can grow it by from cuttings like this. This is the amaranth. This is the dried up amaranth. These are the seeds are here. So I wouldn't be surprised to find amaranth growing around the garden. Interestingly, the first amaranth I had, I believe, came from a seed from my neighbor's garden because I just had one plant. I never planted it before, and that's how come I had lots of amaranth. Now, so here I have lemongrass in the grow bag, and this is the ginger we are going to harvest. So I planted this ginger in June last year. Ginger is a 6-month crop. Farmers tend to plant it twice a year in Nigeria. So yeah, it should be ready. It flowered in November, and I hear that once the plant dries up, that it's time to harvest it. So this is a leftover of the flower cone. Yeah, so this is probably still fresh. So it's the rhizomes I'm going to harvest. Interestingly, the leaves also smell. I understand the leaves are edible as well. So my first time planting ginger really, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the reward. So let's start digging. I think I'll just dig the really old ones, like this stem. I understand that the longer ginger stays in the ground too, the better it becomes, and that you never really finish harvesting ginger. It always keeps growing back. The rhizomes just are left over and then they come back. So let's start. So I said I was going to harvest this one, right? So let's see what's underneath this space. So it's the same. I mean, this is the Zingiberaceae family, and it's the same family as the other ornamental gingers that we have. And those ones, typically the ones we get for the flowers, we know that once they stop, and look at this, is a new shoot coming out. So I guess I'm going to leave that in the ground. Let's just see. Yeah. Oh, nice. Well, I think this will do for today. This is a good harvest. I don't have to harvest everything. Yeah, this is nice. I'm so happy about that. Quite an easy plant to grow, and unlike other vegetables, ginger doesn't need a lot of sunlight. I mean, it's a shade-loving plant. So yeah, this is quite encouraging. I think I'll do this again. I normally feed my vegetable patch and the whole of my garden really with compost I make from my garden and kitchen waste. So I'm very pleased with this result, and I think I'll do this again. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm very pleased with my ginger harvest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe to my channel and share it with others. I mean, there's so many easy things that we can do in our gardens. And so until the next video, bye.